Alright traders, George here, and I want to show you what I'm looking at on Apple. It wasn't too long ago that I was pointing to 393 as a downside target. In fact, just a quick look back here in the Wayback Machine. This is the last snapshot I had when we were in this upper region here, but looking for a break below 570s to trigger this entire correction. A giant one-to-one harmonic to 393 is the final resting spot. Since we got down into this zone, obviously there's a lot of commitment down here, and we made it down as low as 380s and really resonated around 393. No better example of a key resonant zone than that. Now look where the dominator is. This light blue spike comes in just south of 400. Okay, so since prices moved down, we've started to base out in this area here. There's a lot of commitment here. There's somewhat of a double bottom. And just recently we had another pop off of this low 390s level, and there's a mini air pocket that takes us up to about 419, 418. We're just north of that right now. This is setting up a little bit more strength of signal for a long entry. The candles are already white here. We're above this secondary spike right here, so this is a good buy zone really anywhere in this zone here. But the way I've got it tagged right now is with a break below this spike, 1474, that would undo some of the recent bull energy here and might send it all the way back down to just sub 400. But with the bulls holding this line right here, they've got a shot at moving it up to the top of this balance beam ceiling here. That's really the main first target here. So I've got that tagged at 465.41. That's the top extremity, okay? Now 443 to 458, that could see a slowdown in price if it's able to move up there. So that would be a zone to expect a little bit of chop or resistance, and if we go through that zone without it, that would be a very strong sign. Once we get north of 465, the exact same air pocket that allowed price to move down so quickly and gave me this great short setup to show you guys so long ago, well, it's giving me the opportunity to show you something in reverse, and that's the potential for a break into this air pocket here, and that could send price up equally as fast. Okay, now if you look to the left here, I've got 405 to 510 tagged as a zone where we start to encounter a more dense proximity of balance beams here, and that could slow price down. But really the main secondary target here is 545.94. Above that I'm looking at 572.44, and the fourth zone up here, 607. Now 393, if we break below this spike here, that's really going to undo the recent pop that we've had and put a lot more pressure on the bulls to get price up yet again. If the bears are able to get price living below 393 for a sustained period of time, this could go down into the mid 200s, no problem at all. This air pocket might be giving us a double whammy here and a chance to go long through the same air pocket that allowed us those huge short gains not so long ago. Alright, so there's your look at Apple. We'll be updating this in the live room, and I'll see you there.